Tarun IAS mentah kasi kala penlong ya ke seminar ha Asian Conference laim kra nak mentah ki samla puli ki bala pendep ya ka graduate bat kumjuru ki samla ki badang don hapo ka graduate. Tarun IAS kadai ka wei na ki bala bananam ha ka badai ka caka aji kai ya ka bala tip kum ka IAS coaching center ka badai na Delhi mentah kala rai ban Pynïar no ya ka tenum tendai jongka dak ba on plin no ha Shillong ban aji kai na mentah ki samla ki badan ya ka jingtuan penkren na mentah ki civil service examination. Nakaliang jungan kurda su badang supas ya ka UPSC IAS examination ulapun pau lo ka jian nanti ka jung bat ka jing penkre nak banta ka ka exam.
Get into the habit of getting to the depth of things that you study. This would be for mains and interview. And apart from that, these are the technical parts. And apart from that, if you're starting for the civil service examinations, it is very essential to focus on your mental health. This is a marathon, it's not a sprint. And it's very essential to know when to stop, when to pause, and it is also essential to have a very close-knit group of friends. I was fortunate enough that in these last 2 years during COVID, most of my friends from school who were working outside the metros, they were here, they were working from home, and they provided a very good support system to me. So after a long week of studying, intensive studying, weekends would be for drives or just going to someone's place and just talking and getting away from the grind of UPSC for a few hours. So it is very essential for you to be having a good set of friends, your family. It's essential for you to be having someone you can confide in. It can be your partner, it can be your best friend. But it's very essential to have someone you can talk to when you're not feeling well. But it is also essential to have such a person who will guide you and who will help you get back on track. You can't just rant to a person and that person supports you, and that's not how it works. The other person also has to support you and push you forward.
Kakong isa wanda lalu ka badai ka deputy commissioner ka is ka sales kelawan bani simentalang kum kakong san hakani ke jelang hakabakala kren ni kimat kibolong ka jimentoy na manta kisamla puli kibolawan bani simenta hakani ke jelang.
Makwa ban ai kani ka khubor ban ai men sim ya baron kina samla jongi ki ba don jingmut ba ki ba don jingtu ban appear na ka benta ka UPSC examination pite ba UPSC ka conduct ki exam ki dei ba all India services but ki central government services kunto ki IAS ki IPS ki Indian Revenue Service, Indian Audit Accounts, Defence Estate Services, Postal Service but QA ya kini ki exam ite ba ki paulak ki aspirants ki candidates ki patho ki exam man la usnem hakari jongi baro kawai but ni yo iba hakini exam ki bala dep khamniar ki ban pass na kini ki time rilom jongi but khap tam e na ka jalami ghalia jongi ho ni usnem la yo iba I kena samla kena shenrang I keteng I amkurdas iba la clear na kami ghalia kadai ke bangin semua sarong but ka bangin ka banlong ka jing I mean see mi ki wai but thoi kani ke exam ki don kam banlong ki ba durut but ki ba trei shitom kadai ke exam ka ba kum mangalaong na ki pholak ngut keleng sodong kari ki ba tho ya ka pat kin ji ki ba bitam but kani ka mut ba hoy pidei hi bandon ya kata knowledge pidei bandon ya kata jing start ka preparation ka biang hinai ka ba kham kong san ka dei ba pinlong ki ba minot bat ki ba trei shitom bat ki ba don ya ka plan and strategy ka ba ki khot kumno ban clear ki exam number ki bon tli ki paper ki bon tli ki phases nado ka prelims nado ka mains shado ka interview ya kini baro lai kan thop la kumno system iswa kata ka preparation ka ba pakka ru pidon kam kumba system ai ti kajing pun create jonga ru nadu basdang hadu bak nganda clear ngala shim kum basau snem shiteng ai hakata kapor ngala le coaching ngala study ngala pule ko di dalade haka chukpo ngala trei ru shipor tang baka kajing kwa kajing kajing pensu jonga ka ni kapor kadai bala da kadai kajing tmu ka jong pi dei ban durut pat pi dei ban haktin padengi ong stay the course pendep don kata kajing mut bala long kumno ru let's see hakasin ka pating kong pim clear ya ka prelims let's see pinum pat clear ya ka mains ki bon ki bapoi sha ka interview ru kim clear kin hab shong yang sa sin hin re pidei ban bit shushu ila din ka por pet ye ki interviews jong ki bla pass exam ki bla dep วันไรก็จะกินกับทำไมบัดคุณจิงบุดบัดลงคุมโนรูเป็นเด็บอยากกันเนกาเจอร์นี่กันก็จะอยากเดินตีแต่งั้นก็เป็นไอ้มันเสียมบ่ขับเร่งจงยี่บุญกี่บัดดอนชิชากระจายกี่บัดดอนกระสับกี่บัดดอนลูกกระจิงทมูที่ขณะบางอินละเป็นไอ้กระจิงชักรีกับพายก็ชนองกระจงยี่บัดอีกรีกับเอกกระจงยี่ว่าเป็นคิดบอกคิดเรียงยี่พี่บัดเป็นไอ้มันเสียมพี่บ้ารอบัดเนี่ยช่องนักเป็นตากินนี่กิจ exam.
And just a couple of questions more. Do you think language is a barrier to clear the UPSC examinations, and what are the key elements to to be a successful candidate?
Like I said, the key elements: have a plan and a strategy, do your research, and like one of our colleagues spoke just now. The mental strength, the tenacity, and the grit to pick yourself up. Say after a failed attempt. It's very critical that you don't grope in the dark. Do your research at the beginning. Understand what are the resources. What are my optionals going to be? Do I stand a good chance if I appear in this optional? How should my strategy for preparation be? So these are the things which you should go out doing. And once you have committed to write this exam, be serious and. At the end of the day, really, there is no substitute for hard work and for rigorous preparation, because all the coaching institutes, all the resources you have on the internet, all the support that you get from your friends, from your peers, from your teachers will not count for anything if self-study is not there, if that dedication is not there from your side. So those are some of the aspects which you need to focus on. As far as language being a barrier, I don't think it is. Of course, one needs to be conversant in the English language, and I think a lot of people from Northeast have that advantage. Continue reading, update yourself, upgrade your knowledge, practice writing, do mock tests, expose yourself to as much information and knowledge as possible. And I think really, if you are committed to this, you will surely gain success.